Bali has long been a dream destination for travelers seeking a perfect blend of culture, nature, and relaxation. But finding a place that offers genuine luxury without draining your wallet can feel like searching for a hidden temple deep in the jungle. Conrad Bali changes that equation entirely. Nestled along the stunning coastline of Tanjung Benoa in Nusa Dua, this resort delivers a five-star experience that feels both indulgent and surprisingly accessible. From the moment you arrive, the sweeping ocean views, lush tropical gardens, and warm Balinese hospitality set the tone for everything that follows. But this is not just a hotel, it is a carefully crafted experience designed to make every guest feel like royalty without the royal price tag. Conrad Bali sits on a prime stretch of beachfront property, placing guests just steps away from the calm, crystal-clear waters of the Indian Ocean. The location in Tanjung Benoa is ideal because it offers the tranquility of a secluded retreat while keeping you close to the vibrant energy of Seminyak, Kuta, and the cultural heart of Ubud. Arriving at the resort, you are greeted by an open-air lobby that frames the ocean like a living painting. The architecture draws heavily from traditional Balinese design, featuring intricate stone carvings, thatched roofing elements, and water features that create an immediate sense of calm. It is the kind of first impression that makes you exhale deeply and realize you have made exactly the right choice. The accommodations at Conrad Bali are where the concept of affordable luxury truly comes to life. The resort offers a wide range of room categories, from elegantly appointed deluxe rooms to sprawling private pool villas. Each space is designed with meticulous attention to detail, blending contemporary comfort with traditional Balinese aesthetics. Rooms feature plush bedding, marble bathrooms, private balconies, and floor-to-ceiling windows that frame breathtaking views of either the ocean or the resort's stunning lagoon pool. For travelers looking to elevate the experience further, the private pool villas offer a level of seclusion and intimacy that rivals properties costing significantly more. Every corner of every room whispers luxury, yet the pricing remains competitive enough to make it genuinely attainable for a wide range of travelers. Food at Conrad Bali is nothing short of extraordinary. The resort is home to multiple dining venues, each offering a distinct culinary journey. Elegance restaurant is the crown jewel, serving fresh seafood and international cuisine right on the beachfront, where the sound of gentle waves accompanies every meal. The Spice restaurant offers a more casual setting with an extensive buffet featuring both local Indonesian dishes and global favorites. For those who prefer something lighter, the pool bar serves refreshing cocktails and snacks throughout the day. What makes dining here special is not just the quality of the food, but the atmosphere. Every meal feels like an occasion, whether you are watching the sunset over the ocean or dining under a canopy of stars. The resort features one of the most impressive pool setups in all of Bali. A massive lagoon-style swimming pool winds through the property, offering multiple swim zones, a dedicated children's area, and swim-up bars that keep the good times flowing. Beyond the pool, the Conrad Spa is a sanctuary of wellness, offering traditional Balinese treatments, aromatherapy massages, and holistic healing rituals that draw from centuries-old Indonesian traditions. Guests can also enjoy water sports, cultural cooking classes, yoga sessions on the beach, and guided excursions to nearby temples and rice terraces. The resort ensures that boredom is simply not an option, catering to both those who want to do absolutely nothing and those who want to experience everything Bali has to offer. Conrad Bali manages to achieve something that very few hotels in the world can claim. It delivers a genuinely luxurious experience at a price point that makes it accessible without ever feeling compromised. The combination of stunning beachfront location, beautifully designed accommodations, world-class dining, and exceptional service creates a stay that lingers in your memory long after you have returned home. Whether you are planning a romantic getaway, a family vacation, or a solo adventure, Conrad Bali stands as one of the finest examples of what affordable luxury truly looks like. Bali has always been magical, and this resort simply makes that magic last a little longer.